Hello traders, I'm Nalnakshi Swami and today I'm going to simplify one of my favorite trading tools, the rolling pivot with Gann Hilo. Imagine the market like a train journey. Every day the train moves forward. Sometimes it pauses at station, sometimes it slows down at junctions, and sometimes it changes direction. Sometimes it changes direction for a reroute itself to touch the inner places. The rolling pivot is like the station platform. The train stops here briefly to decide its next move. It shows the balance point where buyers and sellers meet. The Gann halo acts like the signal light beside the track, blue for uptrend, red for downtrend. It tells you whether the track ahead is safe to continue or if a slowdown is coming. If a slowdown is coming, I've coded it for dynamic color. It automatically turns into gray or black. That's how I have made it. So that is the junction halt, a moment where the market is deciding continue in the current trend or reverse. And when the train stops at the signal light, while the track ahead turns red or blue. That is a signal halt. You might have seen the Gann halo turning red to blue, blue to red. That is a signal halt, not any complete trend reversal or anything. You need to understand that is a pause before the junction, or it may be a pause at the junction, giving you early warning before the trend fully shifts. It may be a continuation forward, signal halt towards the junction, or halt at the junction to continue its direction, or halt at the junction to reverse back. Junctions are the points where train will decide to either to reverse or to continue. And here is the safety tip. If you want to be safe, the train has to move above the track and the signal must be in your favor. Similarly, price must move above the rolling pivot and take the Gann halo signal before you confidently enter the trade. In this video, I'll show you how to read the stops, junctions, and signals so you can catch trend reversal and trend continuations with the confidence. Stay with me. It is going to be simple, visual, and actionable. So, rolling pivot and Gann halo are like your two guides. Rolling pivot is the station platform, Gann halo is the signal light. So, friends, if you do not have any access to my indicator, it is my custom indicator. Buy my indicator, then WhatsApp me on this number. Message me on WhatsApp 98452096000. So rolling pivot and Gann halo are must for the train to be safe. See, rolling pivot are like tracks and Gann halo is like the signal. Rolling pivot acts as the station platform where the train halts before deciding. So it should be above the platform. Train should be upper track. Then that means price should be above the platform, above the pivot. Then buyers are strong. If the price is below, train is below platform, it is lower track, sellers are strong. So it has been coded so nicely. And even with that, buy sell signals are coded. My indicator is so super that you don't need any tips. It is a minute to minute, second to second tip provider sitting beside you and teaching you. Don't do this mistake. There is no signal. Don't do this mistake. There is no track, proper track. So don't enter your train. That's what it is telling. It shows the market's balance point and updates dynamically. That is more important. It should be updated dynamically. It is not a classic dead pivots. It is a dynamic balance point. Dynamically it balances. It is like GPS for you people. GPS on the car, GPS for the train, everything. So in this example, I'm showing the picture of the crude oil. So I'm marking a day before. You can have a bias a day before where the market is positioned. Here you can see signal is red. Platform is here. The train has left the platform. Direction is down, downward track. So red, all are red. Signal is red, platform is in downward, then red is equal to downtrend. So you are not attempting any green candles to buy. And step by step, all the candles, even though if they are green, since the track is down, it is telling you step by step, no, you are not going to take wrong direction. Don't make this mistake. It is telling you. Here itself it told. Sell buttons. You can see sell buttons. All the signal has turned. But it was an attempt to reach back and pick up the passengers who are going and changing the direction and destination. From the destination, some people have boarded in, sellers have boarded in, right? Next. It is an example of the Nifty I'm showing you. It was a pause. You can see the pivot has turned black, neutral, then it came down, but the platform was here. The uptrend track was, so it rerouted its journey to the inside at the junction point. Then it moved higher. See, it rerouted it. Then you see blue and red, black and red on the pivots, and then it started moving. So everything is green. I've changed for when I enable S1 and R1. Some people find it difficult to make out which is pivot because all will turn red and all will turn green. Then people will get confused. What is pivot? To identify, to clearly identify that, I purposely change that color to blue. You can also do that. So signal is, both the signals are green. For you to enter into a trade, a signal, both the signals, tracks signal as well as the Gann Hilo signal should be green. Then only you are entering into the trade. At one point time, market balances. So market balance point and Gann Hilo, they both fluctuate. So then the pivot turn into black and red, and the Gann Hilo, blue and red. So mixed feelings. It halts. It may be before the signal. It may be before the junction, no signal, because junction is the point where many trains will cross. They change the direction, crossings, rail crossings will happen. That's why the train which is going forward may stop, or a train going downward may halt at the junction, or it may halt before the junction because of the no signal. See, signals will come. There is to halt that, because if they all starts coming in the same direction, there will be collision. You might have seen the train accidents because of the mistakes of this signal failure, right? GAN hilo is the signal light next to the track, like blue, all clear, trend up, red, caution, trend down. It visually tells the current direction of the trend. Current direction of the trend it will tell. Sometimes when it is on hot, it starts changing its color. Blue to red, red to blue. Even the pivot will also start changing from red to gray, gray to blue, like that. Okay, so that is the time you need to hold. So remember, can hilo blue is equal to uptrend, red is equal to downtrend. Signal must be right. When you combine these both tools, above pivot, blue GAN hilo, you are going to have an uptrend journey. Below pivot plus red GAN hilo, you are going to have a downtrend journey. Price crossing pivot while GAN hilo unchanged. GAN hilo has not changed, but you might have seen price crossing above the pivot. It will start crossing above the pivot. Junction zone. It may be possible reversal. So you need to wait. You should not hurry yourself. This helps spot early transitions before full trend flips. So you need to wait. You need to stay away from the market. You just see. And my indicator will tell you which direction it is after the halt, after all the gimmicks, drama, flip business. The my indicator will start telling you which direction it is going to continue. Okay. So for us, transition zone will be alternating between blue and red. This is an graphic image of the transition phase. So, condition, meaning, and action. So, this should be your mantra. Price above pivot and GAN hilo blue, strong uptrend, look for buys. Price below pivot, GAN hilo red, strong downtrend, look for sells. Price crosses pivot but GAN hilo not flipped, transition zone. Watch for reversal. That is a must. You just take this screenshot and write it on your table so that it will make you alert at every wrong step. Don't do any wrong step. So this is uptrend is, remember the uptrend, remember the downtrend, and remember the transition zones. These are very beautifully coded for you people to understand when to stop, when not to trade. So next time, when you see price crossing above or below the rolling pivot, while the GAN hilo hasn't flipped yet, imagine the train entering a junction. That's why I have coded for NR4 and NR7 also. Narrow range thing also I have coded. That is your early alert that a new direction could soon begin. So it is a junction picture, junction place where there will be flip. You can see the signals are mixed. Red signals, halt. Okay, there are track changes are there. It can change the track also. That's why you need to be careful. Here, for this train, green signal has come. For this train, the halt signal has come. Stop. Red signal. So, why? Because there is crossing. You need to be careful. At the junction only, both buyers and sellers will enter into the market. We don't know which direction is. We may be sitting in this train, but we do not know whether it is going to continue or not. It is not like you are buy the ticket and sit in the train and you know that your destination is Delhi. You are going to go Delhi. But here in the market, you will not be knowing. The train is controlled by the big players. They can change the track without notice. If they change the track, but my indicator tells you before it changes the track, before the big player, whatever he makes, I can make out with my indicator a caution is alerted. Then I close my position or get down of the train. I don't want to sit in the train. So when there is a flip between when both the indicators, GAN hilo and the pivot are flipping between the red and black pivot, and the GAN heel is also flipping between blue and red, then stay alert. Trade smart. That indicates new trend is ahead. Then I wait. New trend to emerge. I will not jump into the trade unless new trend starts. Okay. So here is an example I'm showing you. I've combined with it. This is my another indicator, midweek of the month alert. So these are also like stops, midweek of the month, are also like stops, junctions to know what is going to happen. This is the chart of crude oil I'm showing you. If you see that, I've blocked it from July, August, September, October. The train was halted over here and trading, going going up, down, rotating here. It didn't go anywhere. Midweek of the month is an alert. From here, train had changed its direction. It was an halt. It halted for so many months, but rotating itself, engaging the traders up and down, people guessing. But my midweek uh, indicator, if you see, the 6,000 was the, barricade. Price could not there. And here, finally, yesterday, it broke below all this midweek level and it has moved downwards. And my GAN hilo was showing mixed feelings. You can see at the halt period, the GAN hilo was flipping between red to blue, and even the pivots also. Red to black, and blue and green, everything. So it was just in and out of the move within a range actually. It didn't go, it didn't start its destination anywhere. Now, crude oil has begun its destination after the confined move within this period from July to September. It has broken below monthly breakout. So here I am showing you Nifty chart. It was the junction. Here, this was the junction. You can see the mixed feeling of the pivot. There were Gan Hilo was down. At one point of time in the month of September, it started showing mixed feelings. This blue to red and pivot is showing red, black, blue, and it started moving higher. In the month of September, midweek of the September, it moved higher and it made an 25,400 that was the peak made. Now, the market again in this month, it regained from this pivot line. See, you can see there was a mixed feeling over here. Gan Hilo turning red, blue when it was coming down. Finally, trend had picked up. This is how my Gan Hilo indicator helps you for your long and positional trade. You can make your decisions for an investment whether to invest in the stock or not. It is an universal indicator for commodity, forex, and also for crypto and options, especially options. For options people, it is a beautiful thing. You can mark ahead and note the platforms. Where are the platforms? If it breaks that platform, you are sure that direction is changed. Like that, you can make your decisions and you can put your stop loss too. See here, I am on an hourly chart of the Nifty. This was the halting station. Many people on YouTube also, oh, whether it will go down, it will break down. Now the levels are 24,800, 24,900, like that. It was a mixed feeling. This was an halt. It is halting at the junction. It halted at this junction, the rerouted itself and into the uptrend. Now, suppose in case if the market comes down, this level, I don't know if 25,100 to 25,080 becomes your platform, and even 25,150 to 130 is your next platform. It may reroute, it may come down, reroute, and it may proceed. You should not be panic. You will not be panic. So this destination, after reaching this destination, it can reroute itself. This is on hourly chart. I'm showing you how you can mark out the junction places. You need to mark out the junction places. Junction places are there where you see my Gan Hilo as well as the pivot flickering between the two colors. Mixed feelings. Okay? And then the trend has emerged. Now, let us see. I am on the 15 minutes time frame. Yesterday, on Friday, it has shown some sort of correction. Correction 25, because so now what I'm going to do is I am going to mark the pivot, hourly pivot line. It is my barricade. And I'm going to mark these platforms 25,225, 25,175, and 25,151. These are my levels. This is the level where the junction point. From there, the market has flipped and changed its direction. It may be rerouting to pick up the traders. It might be an halt, junction halt, and then rerouting itself to pick up and coming back to the junction, and these are my stops. So if it starts falling below this point, 25,151 to 25,080 or something, then the complete thing, it is going to collapse. It will come down and it may come down to the main station. This is a junction. Junction pivot is here and main station pivot is here. I know all the levels. I can trade very well because my indicator tells you everything. It documents you. You can mark your visually, you can mark where are the junctions. You can see junctions are the places where the GAN, hilo as well as the pivot have changed, flipped between the colors, flipped between red to green, green to red, like that. Even the pivots flipping between red to black, black to red, like that. Mixed feelings you can see over here. It is an example I've taken about this stock TCS. See, the main station was here. It has started its downward journey. It halted in the month of August, September, creating that it is going to go up. So direction has not changed. Our stop was here, 3,300. There was a mixed feeling over here. It had fallen down, it is trying to come up. And you can see GAN halo has become blue and the pivot has turned blue because it is trying to move inside, and it is the junction resistance level 3,100, and this is midweek of the indicator, which tells me monthly balance points. These are the monthly balance points. This one is the monthly balance point along with the pivot, another monthly balance point. 3,166 to 3,100 is the balance point. That is the resistance. That is, the direction may change from here. It is just a rerouting itself to pick up sellers to track down. If this stock has to change its direction, it has to cross this midweek of the month. Then confidently it has to go, then you can get a target to price can move to 3,400. So you are not making any decision in this stock for buying. Just it may be a swing trade in a downward journey or a simple intraday trades. For example, I think this is the stock which I mentioned in my earlier videos, Hindustan Zinc. See, after changing its direction, it was an halt, and my midweek were here. It was constantly flipping between the red to blue, and you can see in the month of September, it was the GAN hilo signal was constant. There was no flip. There was no flip, even though pivots flipped. Pivot flipped its color from blue to gray, gray to blue. No, not anywhere red. You can see blue to gray, gray to blue. That means there is no downward trend, just a simple halt. Simple halt. By noticing this with my indicator, I was able to tell the people around 448 you can take your position. So it ran up to 520. Why did it stop over here exactly? Because of this pivot. Because of this pivot. These are the sellers have come into the market and the GAN hilo is there. So that's why it reacted. Now If it has to move higher, it may reroute. Already it has rerouted here. And if it reroutes and if it holds these pivots, or it can even come down to the junction point and then it may pick up. So that's how it is. You can also select stocks for your swing trade, also select stocks for your investment. You can do that. So in this GAN Hilo, I've added timestamps also. Many people ask why vertical lines are there. If they change it to daily time frame, you will see so much of lines. But these are the timestamps which are very, very important in the market. 9:15, 12:15, and 2:15. During the timestamps only, some activity will be noticed. The London session will start from 12 to 1 p.m. European session, transition period, then manipulation, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution takes place in the market. So for that, I've taken care of all the things in my indicator. I've added timestamps also. If you want, if you enable it, if you enable like this, you will see like this. My indicator is full-fledged with the time also, considering the time for the activity to notice what is happening at that time. You can see in this, this is Tata Motors stock chart. Here on 9th, see time stop 12 p.m. After the fall, it halted. It altered. See, you can see GAN Hilo didn't change at all. Halted, and the pivot was showing not red to gray, not red to, after the red to gray, there was no change to red at all. You can see over here on the last hour of the 9th, the pivot has turned gray. It didn't change. Next day, it was a jump. Morning itself, 9, after, no, after 2:30 itself, timestamp, it changed, blasted like anything. And this continued in the morning session 9:15, and the pivot started changing its color. It started its changing color, alerting you people that it is going to change its direction, or it is going to continue down. Then it started coming down. Even in spite of that, the pivot is blue because it has started from here. And again, before yesterday, all these things were gray. Pivots were after 12, there was no direction is down. Direction already down. GAN Hilo has turned down. Then there may be probably this Tata Motors is going to split on Monday, demerge. It will split into top, then breakdown will be there. It has to break down. So timestamps are also added in my indicator considering the time cycles. So with the timestamps, rolling pivot, GAN Hilo, you are the winner. You have everything. You have zoomed out view of the chart, and you know where you are standing, whether to take the trade or not. So I've taken care of everything in this indicator. So friends, I request you, this is my custom indicator. You message me on WhatsApp. Many people have bought this indicator. They have given me very good feedback. It is the indicator which has been created for myself, for my trading. You need to WhatsApp me on this, and you can, which this is my indicator, can become yours, and you can trade profitably. Everything has been taken care in this. So, without the indicator, you will be lost. You will not be knowing the direction and the tracks and even the times. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.